Hey guys, Makeshift TV here with a SkyWarz video. Today I have Todder here. Say hello, Todder.
Hello.
Yes, his name is Todder, and he likes tots, and he likes the tots,
Oh my god.
and he likes vagina.
Better than liking dick.
You like dick?
No.
Oh, that's what I heard, dude.
I didn't hear shit.
Yeah, I heard it. You said dick.
Oh my god.
You do? You like the dick?
No. Did he need any swords?
No. I don't need swords. I need the penis. Not really. I'm okay.
Oh god, dude. I almost shot you off looking at a wrong guy.
Dude, I burnt my finger on a firework and my finger is burning. This girl is... Oh, that's way too far of a jump to jump. Oh, okay. Thank you.
One way or another, you're getting over here. Fuck, where's the other guy over there? Wish I had Optifine. Oh wait, there was never a guy next door to me. This spilled over.
I'm breaking the bridge over here.
The hell with that? Then we got noobs coming over here.
My point. Did you get the chest top of the tree?
Is it? Yeah. Oh, some fucker just shot me with something. Oh, it's that asshole up there. Move.
Where?
Bitch!
Nice shot, nice shot. Guard the turn.
What are you staring at, you chicken fucker? Shit, I missed. He blocked himself. Attila the Hun! Okay, if you're going down there, then. Hell this.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. I'm all armored.
I'm not.
I am. What?
Oh, yeah.
No. Come on, tell me there's a bow in here. Nope.
I got a bow.
I got a silk touchpad.
Yeah, I have a bow.
Ah, sick. Thanks, man. I already have a sword.
Shut up!
Oh shit, give me that bow.
Yeah.
You chicken fucker, give me the bow.
God damn it, why did I say chicken fucker?
I don't
Dude,
know,
let's build over this fucking asshole. Here, you build over, I'll protect you with cover. Fire!
Let's see if we can do this.
The
Oh my
hell?
god, fuck you. I'm done.
Who the hell was that?
I don't know, but don't set me off the edge. I think it's the guy right about there.
Ha! I shot him.
No.
Hell this shit. Just shoot the guy at the top above me.
Go, 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 go. Got you, I got you. Go, 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 good, 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 good. Oh, there's a guy up there?
Fuck, behind us!
What?
This asshole ran off behind us. Bitch, 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 bitch. Shit! Oh my god, dude. I'm so glad this water was here. Dude.
Dude, I got you protection. I got you armor.
Oh my god,
Do you have
dude.
enchanted armor on?
No, I need a helmet and a chest. Oh my, I mean not chest, pants. Oh my god, dude. I went full panic mode right there. Oh Jesus. Oh, those guys looked armored. I think our best bet's to go to the mid.
The mid?
Yeah. But I have no blocks.
I do. I have 40 something.
Okay, that's enough blocks. Fire! Oh my god, I just raped that kid. Dude, I just
Okay, I'm
power
building
one.
cross.
Dude, I just power one the kid completely off of his
Alright,
tower.
well, you need to guard me, so just guard me.
I have no arrows. Oh wait, never mind, I have 20. Hold on. Fire!
Are you guarding me or what?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Where?
Right
Okay.
behind. Right. Fire. Keep going. Not much further. Just keep going. Don't turn around because you're fucked if you do. Oh my god, I almost just missed that jump. Oh. Ooh, yeah. The hell is that helmet? I need pants. If you find any pants.
I just gave you pants.
Yeah, well.
Dude, you just got gapples? What?
I did?
I think so.
Hell, where's the enchantment table now?
Maybe under us? Under us.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Alright, there's pressure plates. So watch out.
The hell with that. Projectile protection 3 boots.
Watch out, dude.
The hell with that. Give me those pants. Where's the enchantment table again?
It's on top.
Oh, there we go. I'm breaking pants. Shit. Okay, that's not gonna help. I hear somebody coming over. Prot 1, I'm breaking 1.
You sure there's someone come over?
I hear someone.
I hear dead people.
God. Dude. Somebody's using our cave system. You know our system that we built? Somebody's using it. Prot 1, I'm breaking 1. Somebody's using it. I think they're coming over. I saw names. I'm seeing 3 names. There's 3 of them, and where's the last guy? Oh wait, it's us 2. And I see 3 guys over there. Prot 1. Projectile protection 1.
Heading up. I'm heading up.
Okay. Oh, dude, we should just stay down here and just build like a massive base. Let's do it.
Dude, we can just do it up here. Look.
I have no building blocks.
There has to be some around here.
This is amazing.
I don't have much building blocks, so.
Who gives a shit? If anything, we can just go downstairs, mine some of those diamonds, and then get the diamonds and turn it into an axe and then chop his trees down. We're so good.
This is our base.
Oh god damn. Don't worry.
You shall not pass.
Oh god. Fuck, I ran out.
I got more.
Man the cannons!
They're not getting by us.
Fire! Here's the way up. Damn it, you broke it off. Dude, we're so good at this game. Man the cannon! Fire! Oh fuck, ran out of blocks. Okay. Start breaking the trees! Dude, break the trees and then break these trees right here, dude, and then make a roof. The only way in is by this doorway that I'm about to break. You watch where they are. I'm gonna break this tree. We're so good. We're so good at this game. We should keep playing. That he betrayed his teammate. The Hunger Games are real.
Hunger Games.
Shit, I almost fell off into the abyss. Dude, we're so good at this game. We spend about an hour and a half building a house and then we lose.
Why are you putting a roof?
Don't know. No TNT cannons.
I'm surprised we don't have a TNT cannon.
Oh, God
This is our humble abode.
I think those faggots are building one over there too.
This is our house.
Yes, we must live in this. You write in the chat, you shall not pass.
You write the Did you get an axe or no?
No. Oh! I had an axe the whole time?
I did too.
And a sharpness axe. Dude. Get over here. Our humble abode. block that shit off.
They gotta get more wood.
Oh my god, we're so good at this game. We're so good we don't even need to play.
Dude, we're just camping here.
What's the problem?
So guys, it's like faction territory for us now.
/F claim. That didn't work.
Slash that claim.
Yeah, it didn't work.
What if we do we have lava in there?
No, but I have a piece of fire. Smite 1 on a diamond sword. Dude, do you happen to have another diamond sword?
Yeah.
Dude! The fire in the middle is catching our place on fire! Shit! Fuck.
I'm taking shots.
Dude, get down in the hole. Jump in the hole. It's the only way of surviving. Seriously, jump in the hole. Give me a diamond sword, please.
Hi.
You happen to have a plain diamond sword. Yay. Dude, we're so good at this game. Sharp 1. Hell yeah. Fuck, I don't know. Help. Help.
No, I'm breaking. I don't want I'm breaking. This one. Ooh, sharp 1.
Damn.
Perfect. So guys, this is I don't know if we just like built all this for nothing.
I won't. I feel like shit. Dude, do you happen to have any more balls of enchanting?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Can't see shit. Why is it so dark? Oh, I thought you grew a tree in here. I was like, son of a bitch. Dude, they're slowly killing each other because of our fucking base.
Dude, there's a guy right over here.
Dude, I have 2 sharp 1s. I need XP. What? What?
There's a guy over there. He shot me. I was like,
That's what that gay laugh was for.
ow, you're a dick. Stop hitting me.
Hey, where is he? Oh, you faggot. You shall. I don't know how to spell shall, so not bad. That's the best spelling.
That's it. You said shale.
Shut up! I told you I don't know how to spell.
Obviously.
How the fuck do I spell shall?
Ask me if he wants to be team. He'll come over here and we'll
It's
just kill him.
us 3. Should we just jump off for the
No,
hell of it?
I'm not letting him win.
Okay, well, we gotta build over to an island, just saying. Do you happen to have any more building blocks?
Nope. I can get us some right now.
Oh, fuck, I have an axe. What the hell am I doing? You shall not pass. Fuck, he has arrows.
No, duh.
What a fucking bitch. Why did he shoot me? Thought we were friends. An asshole. Holy shit, I saw the lights flash, but on?
Say off. Okay. I don't think he speaks English, eh?
I have no idea what the fuck he just said, but okay. I think he says he wants vengeance. No, Dutch.
ODVG? What?
I don't know.
Me, the guy. Oh, this guy put lava right there.
Oh, that was me.
No, this
Oh
guy
my
put lava.
god. Shit. Oh, this guy didn't know about this chest being here?
What's up there?
Yay! Okay, we need to get back to the
I'm
mid.
taking fire.
No, I fell! Shit. Here, I wonder if I could spec block this fucker.
Dude, I barely even have enough materials to
Dude,
build.
you could kick this guy's ass. Dude, I had like a lot of balls in chant, dude.
Balls of chanting.
No, so I could freaking, what's it called? Take my 2 sharp 1s and change it into a sharp 2, but then I might have fell.
No, you didn't might have fallen, you fell.
Shut up. I completely fell.
You think?
Well, since I lost that match, let's stop recording. 'Cause
No, I'm finishing that, dude.
me and Cage. What's this called? SkyWarz. Number 1. Save. Document.
Oh shit, he's right there.
Yeah, he's being a bitch. I wonder if I could spec block this fucker. Can I? Did you get hit or no? Are you shooting at him or no?
Yeah. Dude,
Oh,
he's hiding.
I'm right in front of him.
How many times have I hit him?
Like 3 times. I wish I had like a mod thing. It's not like a mod, but like a thing. And that if you go over to them and look at them, it shows their hearts. Dude, you knocked him off!
Yes! Piso!
That was fucking awesome.
Alright, so hey guys, this is Uncover Phil. No, not Uncover Phil, that's my other channel, sorry. Makeshift TV, and I think that guy just got his ass kicked with the sniping. So,
Let's do this again.
yeah, so we'll talk to you guys later.
SkyWarz.
This is SkyWarz, by the way. So we'll talk to you guys later, and
Do it again.
next video will be out soon. So talk to you later.
Let's do this.